Good morning, students, and welcome back to the next session of the subject Maths. We'll be continuing with the topic Introduction to Geometrical Figures, Part 5. We are continuing doing with the textbook. So keep your tulip textbook with you. Okay, so let's begin. We come to page number 157. There is a box, a value of life, a value for life, sorry. And there are many people who help us every day. It is important to thank them. Okay, take a sheet of papers of different colors. Okay, take the different color sheets if you have project papers or chart papers, any. Okay, you'll take them with the help of an adult, means with the help of your parents. Cut out different plane shapes that you have learnt in this lesson. So you have learnt plane shapes, right? Circle, triangle, rectangle, square, quadrilateral. Yes, so you can cut them in that shapes. Paste these shapes on a chart paper and make a thank you card. So you're going to make a thank you card by pasting these different shapes, okay, of different colors, and writing a note on this card to thank the people. So you're going to write a note saying why are you thanking them and with what whom have made a difference to your lives, small or big. Means who have made so much change in your life, whether it is a small change or big change. Okay, so you'll make a thank you card like this. Yeah, and you're going to show me once when the school reopens. Okay, on the same page 157, you have life skills. Okay, the first question is look around you. Plain and solid shapes are used in many ways in our life. For example, take a look at your maths textbook. Just have a look at your maths textbook. Yes, now answer the following questions. Now, whatever answers are there, here the space here, right? So we're going to write the answers here. Question number A. What solid shape does your textbook resemble? What solid shape does a textbook resemble? Means which solid shape does it look like? Yes, right. It looks like cuboid. So write down here the spelling cuboid, cuboid, and put a comma. Second question. What plane shape is a sheet of paper in your textbook? So, what plane shape is a sheet of your paper in your textbook? Yes, it's the shape of a rectangle. So, write down here, after the comma, write down the second answer. Rectangle. 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 Yes. Question number B. You have to imagine that your textbook has circular sheets of paper. Okay, it's not like rectangle, it is circle in sheets of paper. How will a textbook look like then? Now discuss in class. Right now we are not in the class. We others would have discussed about it. So now let's just imagine over it that a textbook is in circular shape. Then what would have happened? Yes, there were no edges and corners, now where to stop, which line, full stops are going round and round. How it would be? Yes. So just imagine, just close your eyes and imagine how your textbook in a circular shape sheets of paper could be. Okay. Question number 2. What would happen if you played football with a cube and not a ball? Yes, a ball is a shape of sphere and sphere has a curved surface, right? So that's it. That is why it can roll. When you kick the ball, it can go to the higher edges, right? You kick with the ball high, it can go and it rolls also, right? Yeah. But if it is a cube, then it can't because it doesn't have a curved surface. It has a plain surface which is of square shape, right? It can't move that higher. It cannot roll also. Yes? Okay. Question number 3. Find the number of faces, vertices and edges in solid shapes given below. Now, with the help of the whiteboard, I'll explain you of both the figures how many edges, faces, vertices are there. Here you will write down the space which is given here. Here you will write faces, vertices and edges. Here also same thing, faces, vertices and edges. Just write it down. Okay, student, it's the same figure that is in your textbook. I've just drawn the edges and which you cannot see. Okay, so let's see how many faces it has. So it has one on the top here, 1, 2 behind, then 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 which is below. So it has total 8 faces. So how many faces? 8 faces. Okay, now let's check the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many vertices? 12 vertices. Okay, and how many edges? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many edges? 18 edges. So this is your answer. So it has 8 faces, 12 vertices and 18 edges. This is the second figure in your textbook. Okay, let's see how many faces it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it has how many faces? 10 faces. Okay, see this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This down bottom 5. Here 6. This square 7. 1 which is behind 8. The front 9 and the back side 10. Okay, so it has 10 faces. Okay, now let's see how many vertices it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it has how many vertices? 16 vertices. Okay, it has 16 vertices. Now let's see how many edges it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. So it has how many? 24. So you can see this figure has 10 faces, 16 vertices and 24 edges. Okay, and the next page, page number 158. Okay, you can see they have given you fun time. Yeah. First question is, how many rectangles can you find? They have given you a figure, you have to find that many rectangles. You're going to rate yourself as 3. If you find 3 rectangles, it's good. 4, very good. 5, excellent. So I'm going to explain you how 5 rectangles are there in this. Now we will see how we'll get 5 rectangles. Okay, we'll draw a rectangle first. This is the first rectangle, rectangle number 1, which is divided into 2 parts. So it became, this whole thing became one rectangle, 2 and 3. Okay, then divided on the top 4 and 5. So this is how you get 5 rectangles. Okay, so now question number 2. Now you've seen how we got 5 rectangles. Question number 2. How many squares can you find? If you find 10, it's good. 12, very good. 14, excellent. Okay, let's find 14 squares from this figure. Okay, so let's see how we'll get 14 squares. So here I draw a square. Okay, so now I've divided this into 2 parts. Okay, now they have divided again in the sleeping way 2 parts. Okay, now if you could see, already one square is formed, the square number 2 and 3. Okay, now I divide from here, it became 4 and 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is how we got 14 squares. Okay, we found 14 squares. Now let's do question number 3. How many triangles can you find? Rate yourself. If you find 16, good. More than 18, very good. And more than 20, excellent. So we'll try our best to find more than 20 so we can get an excellent remark, because we've already got excellent for question number 1 and question number 2. So let's find it out. Okay, the next we have to get more than 20 triangles. We should get more than 20 triangles. So I'll draw a triangle first. That's triangle number 1. Okay, then I have divided into 3 parts. So you can see this is triangle number 2. Okay, then here is 3, 4 and 5. This line goes down little. You can see 6. Here it joins 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then you can see here a triangle is formed 11. Yes, you can see the triangle number 11. Yeah, and here also you can see 12. Triangle number 12. Okay, now this goes little down from here, and this crosses here. Okay, so you can see another 3 triangles. Okay, so we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12. Okay, then we have 13, 14, 15. Yes, yeah, 15. Now this whole thing became 16. Yeah, from here 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we got right now 20 triangles. We can find more. Okay, let's search for more the triangles there. Yeah, this is 21. Okay, this is 22 and 23. So we found 23 triangles. Okay, so we have found almost 23 triangles here. That means we have got excellent remarks. So let's give a pat on our back that we have got all questions excellent remark. Okay, yes, so it's really good thing. Now if you can find more triangles in it, please go ahead and find it out. Okay, so let's go for the next slide. Yes. Question on page 159, you have the worksheet. Okay, worksheet 2. Right? So directly we'll come to question number 6. We're going to do only question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 because it's related to our topic. Yes, question number 6. A brick is an example of dash. A cube, B cuboid, C cylinder, D pyramid. Yes, your answer is correct. It's B cuboid. So write tick mark B cuboid and write in the blank your answer cuboid. Number 7. A ball is an example of dash. A sphere, B circle, C cone, D cuboid. Yes, your answer is correct. It's A sphere. So tick mark A and write down the answer here in the blank. Question number 8. A cube has dash faces. A8, B4, C6, D12. Yes, your answer is correct. It is C6. So write down here 6 faces. Number 9. A pyramid with a square base has dash edges. A8, B5, C4, D12. Yes, your answer is correct. It is A8. So write down here 8 edges. Okay, come to page number 160. There's a mental maths worksheet. Yes, that is question number 9. Okay, the question number 9. Number of vertices in a square equal to dash. A8, B4, C10, D12. Yes, your answer is correct. It is B4. So just put a tick mark to B4 and write the on the answer on the blank. Number 10. Number of sides in a quadrilateral is equal to dash A1, B2, C3, D4. Yes, 4 sides. So the answer is D4. So you just put on the blank here, write number 4. Okay, page number 164. You will have the let's revise page. Yeah, so directly come to page 164, question number 25. Yes, the first is name the following shapes. Okay, the shapes they have given you. Right here only, the spaces occupied here down. Just write this names here. Okay, the first one is which shape? Yes, it's the shape of a cylinder. So write down the spelling cylinder. 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 Yes, the second solid shape. Yes, it's pyramid. So write down the spelling here. Pyramid. Pyramid. Yes. C. What's the shape? Sphere. Yes. So write down here the word Sphere. Sphere. Yes. D. Last one. It's a prism. Okay. So write down the spelling here. Prism. Prism. Yes. Question number 26. How many vertices are there in a square? Yes, 4 vertices. So write down here answer 4. Question number 2. How many sides are there in a quadrilateral? Yes, 4 sides. So write down the answer there 4. Now question number 28. Draw a rectangle and mark the vertices. Now here they have given you space. So you draw a rectangle and the corners which are there, you're going to mark them. Do you remember in parallel faces I had shown you the square with A, B, C, D? Yes, so you will draw a rectangle like that. You can mark A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, any letters you can just mark there. Okay, now in your textbook, Tulip textbook, at the end you have got the Tulip Wizard worksheet pages. Okay, yes, so on that page, come to page number 29. Write on the top today's date. Okay, let's begin. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Question A. The figure given alongside is a dash. 1 square, 2 rectangle, 3 quadrilateral, 4 triangle. Yes, your answer is correct. That's number 2 rectangle. So write the answer in the blank here. Yes. B. A closed shape made of any four lying segment is called dash. 1 rectangle, 2 quadrilateral, 3 square, 4 triangle. Yes, the answer is 2 quadrilateral. So write in the blank there quadrilateral. C. A brick is an example of a dash. 1 cuboid, 2 cube, 3 cylinder, 4 sphere. Yes, the answer is 1 cuboid. D. A pyramid has dash edges. 1 12, 2 10, 3 8, 4 2. Right. Pyramid has 8 edges. Your answer is 3 8. E. A cube has dash vertices. 1 6, 2 12, 3 8, 4 10. Yes, your answer is right. It is 3, 8. It has 8 vertices. F. A cuboid has dash faces 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 10, 4, 8. Yes, your answer is right. 2, 6. It has 6 faces. Question number 2. Put a tick mark if the sentence is correct or cross if it is wrong. Okay, so here in front of here on the sentence you will put the tick mark and cross. A. A ball is an example for a circle. Wrong. The statement is wrong. Ball is an example of a sphere. B. Sides of a triangle need not be equal in length. Yes, it's correct statement. So put a tick mark. C. All the sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yes, it's wrong. So put a cross because opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. D. A cylinder has 3 edges. Yes, it's wrong. A cylinder has no edges. E. A cube has 12 edges. Yes, it's right. A cube has 12 edges. So put a tick mark. F. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. Yes, it's right. So put a tick mark. Okay. Now the next page, that is page number 30. Okay. You'll have to keep these colors ready with you. Red color, dark green, yellow and dark blue. Okay. Here again you can see the date. Just write down the date again. Today's date here. Now what they have told you is color the pattern by the following color code given. The big rectangles. You can see this big rectangles. This one here, some are in vertical, some are in horizontal. These big rectangles you have to color red. And the small rectangles, these small rectangles, can you see them? Yes, can you see them? That they have to color dark green. Okay. Then the big squares, the squares here, the big squares, you can see that you have to color them yellow. And the small squares, here you can see the small squares. Yes, they have to be colored dark blue. Okay, so you're going to do this. I'm going to color it accordingly. Okay, the second question says continue shading in the way shown and complete the design. If you could see, the first tile has a vertical line, right? So you have to draw vertical lines only. Okay, that is standing lines. Okay, in the next box it is horizontal line. So you'll draw horizontal, that's sleeping. Okay, horizontal lines only. So it will be vertical lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, horizontal line. So this way you're going to complete this whole tile with that design. Okay. Okay, with the students, we have come to the end of the lesson. I hope you have understood till now what I have taught you in Introduction to Geometrical Figures. If there is still any doubts, please make a note of it and I can clear up the doubts for you once the school reopens. Hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Take care.